Good day everyone, I am Kurt Rosarosel and I'm gonna discuss the reorder point or ROP and economic order quantity or EOQ. Learning outcomes. Compute the appropriate reorder or ROP considering demand during lead time and safety stock. So analyze inventory management problems and select suitable EOQ and ROP models to improve supply chain efficiency. What is reorder point? The reorder point is the inventory level at which a new order must be replaced to replenish stock before it reaches zero, ensuring continuous operation and preventing stocks out. So this is the formula of reorder point. So reorder point equals usage times lead time plus safety stocks. So the usage is how many stocks will use, the lead times how long it will arrive or delivered, and safety stocks, extra inventory keep to cover unexpected demands or delays. So this is the computation of the given example. So formula of ROP is usage times lead times plus safety stocks. So the usage is 100 bottles per day and the lead times is 10 to 15 days and the safety stock is 100 bottles times 5. So the ROP equals 100 times 15 equals 1,000 and the safety stock is 100 times 5 equals 500. So the total bottles of milk is 1,500. The order was placed on September 5 and the lead times is 10 to 15 days and the order will arrive on September 15. So September 15, 10 days minimum order lead time. And the safety stocks days is September 15 to September 20, 5 days. Economic order quantity or EOQ. So what is economic order quantity? So economic order quantity is used to determine the most cost-effective quantity of inventory to order one that minimizes the total cost of ordering and holding stocks. So the under of EOQ is number of orders per year or NO, the total ordering cost per year or TOC, average inventory or AI, total carrying cost per year or TCC, and total cost or TC. So the formula of EOQ equals square root times O times N divided by C. So O is cost of replacing an order, N is number of units required annually, and C is annually carrying cost per unit per inventory. So the given example is 5,000 number of bottles of milk required annually, 10 pesos of cost of placing an order, and 0.80 cents annually carrying cost per year bottle of inventory. EOQ, square root of 10 times 5,000 bottles divided by 0.80. So the answer of EOQ is 353.55. Numbers of order per year or NO. So 5,000 bottles divided by EOQ of 353.55 equals, the answer is 14.14 number of orders. Total ordering cost per year or TOC. So 14 times 14 orders times 10 pesos equals 141.42 TOC. Average inventory or AI. So AI is 353.55 divided by 2. So the answer is 176.78 bottles. Total carrying cost per year or TCC. TCC equals 176.78 bottles times 0.80. So the total answer is 141.42 TCC. Total cost or TC. So TC is 141.42 plus 141.42 equals 282.84 TC. Since the NO is 14.4, we need to make the order 14 times in a year. So the total ordering cost per year or TOC is 141.4 and the average inventory or AI is 176.78 bottles and the total carrying cost per year or TCC is 141.42 and the total cost or TC is 282.84.